was able to pick up these headphones for just under $50, though the retail price is $59.99. Today I'll be unboxing these and showing them off, giving them a review. Anyways, let's get right into it. So, these are a pair of Anker Soundcore Life Q20 wireless headphones. They boast a 40-hour battery life, sub enhanced sound, which I have no clue what that means, I'm gonna be real, high-res audio, and they have, that's actually about it. Hybrid active noise cancellation. The average retail price for this is $59.99, or just under $60. But like I said, I was able to get it for $42 on Amazon. It comes in very normal packaging here. It comes in a tray. The bag for it, I assume. Yeah, a little bag. And I think I opened it the wrong way, but whatever. Here we are. The headphones themselves. Oh. So these are the headphones themselves. Pretty decent quality in my opinion. Got quite a few peels on them. Let's start with this one. Here we go, you guys. Ooh. The headphones also come with a aux cord, nice rubbery feel to them, and a micro USB-C charging cable. Alright, well, first impressions are pretty good. I like how has a more matte black finish. That's my personal opinion, that matte black is a lot better than the glossy stuff, but they did still put in gloss in here. My opinion is they look good for about 15 seconds after you open them. But hey, they're nice, you have a good range of motion. Very plush headband here, though metal on that, or not metal, plastic on these sides. And oh man, these are really good. Foam pads feel exquisite. Anyways, as for this, there's a noise cancellation switch here, or button. I thought it was a switch. No, you just press it. Power button, of course, gotta get one of those. And then, let's see here, got the play, volume up, and volume down, as well as an aux cord and a micro USB charge port. I'm pretty sure this was released in, 2018? And, so they weren't, USB-C wasn't as prevalent, but hey, whatever. So the headphones can also fold like this to make it a lot easier to carry, but yeah. That's it for the unboxing. I will wear these, listen to them, and tell you my opinion. Hey, I'm back, and before I get into the actual review and my opinions, I want to say that this is coming from your resident Skullcandy Hesh user, who isn't really well versed in sound, if that makes any sense. Like, I don't know everything about it. I just know what I hear and what I like. Sound is completely up to you, like everybody hears differently, so you might like it, you might not like certain things, but yeah. Anyways, in my opinion, this feels amazing, though it is a bit tight on me. I don't like how tight it is, but it does do its job well. Even without the active noise cancellation on, this thing cancels out sound pretty well. And these plush foam things, while I don't know how they'll fare the test of time. I don't know how these will fare the test of time, but these feel amazing right now. The sound quality is pretty standard in my opinion. Well, not standard. The sound quality is pretty good in my opinion. A bit better than the Hesh one, But yeah, and for the price of $59.99, it's a pretty good price. These are like I want to say these are $100 quality probably for $60. But if you had it at $60 or $70, I'd recommend going with the Hesh 2 wireless, as those are really good sounding and really good feeling. But these are still a really great option, especially if you can get them for a discounted price of $42. And with that concludes this, and see you guys later.